We had a crazy ass thunderstorm last night. 7 o'clock in the morning. We got a 5-hour drive. Samir's in the bathroom. Let's wake up Chicken. 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 Daddy, we have to go drive. You can sleep in the truck, babe. Come down. I'll help you brush your teeth and we'll dress you up and we'll go. Okay? I'll give you 5 more minutes, Daddy. Yeah. Harsh reality of bringing kids. It is what it is. We got the title here. That's Scarlett's outfit here. Should be decent and Palatine. We're supposed to have a car meet for about an hour or two. Little meet and greet. But maybe I could have did a better job planning the stay. Maybe we should have stayed here for one day and then moved for, a little closer to Arnold. But honestly, this was the nearest KOA with a pool. So I'd rather take the drive but let my kids enjoy themselves. We had a ton of fun last night. We bought some firewood. But again, we had a crazy thunderstorm. We couldn't get a fire brewing. I guess tonight we'll have fun. Tonight. You ready, Poop?
Yeah.
Long drive, buddy. Long drive. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40? Yeah. Hi. That's our travel time. 5 hours. How'd you guys sleep?
Good. Pretty well.
You slept good, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Samir?
Pretty good.
Not bad, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're gonna go change a man's life today, guys. This man joined the giveaway. He won fair and square, and now it's time to deliver his car, which is always promised. Give you guys a quick life lesson on camera. You give somebody your word, you make sure you keep it. Because at the end, that's all you got. And that's your word. Let's go meet Arnold. Never seen an exit 0, Samir. Seen that? Yeah, that's crazy. All right, so we are about an hour away. We've just entered Chicago, and guess we got to go up that line near that coast. But kid's been knocked out half the trip. Well, Samir, half the trip. Scarlett, the full trip. She's having the best time ever. But here we are, Samir. Look. Welcome to Chicago, birthplace of Michael Jordan, the greatest. Correction, birthplace was where?
The Bronx, New York, I believe.
Where?
The Bronx, New York, or Manhattan. I don't remember.
Michael Jordan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely wasn't born in Chicago. Google it. Fix it.
Yeah,
we gotta get that right. Trust me, they'll read me out. Pause in the comments.
Yeah, Brooklyn, New York.
Brooklyn, New York. Well, then he birthed Chicago then.
Yeah.
Because he's the best thing that ever happened to it. Definitely not Mayor Daley. Chicago White Sox Stadium. We got the city down here. Me and Samir have been here. I think twice we came.
Yeah.
We went to Money in the Bank. This is Scarlett's first time in Chicago. How do you like it? It is what it is, right? It is what it is. All right, 53B. Let's not miss the exit. Man, guys, we got done dirty, man. We got to Chicago. We're driving through downtown, 4 miles in traffic for 1 hour. Almost ran out of gas. Barely made it off the on-ramp, the off-ramp, whatever the hell. Got some gas. One of the straps was off the tire. Thank God, everything happens for a reason. Made me get off and get gas. The entire strap was off the rim. I guess that's from that stop and go traffic that loosens up those straps. But we are starving.
Especially me.
We are starving, right, chicken? We want some food. We want to meet Arnold already. And we're 17 minutes away. We literally just got out of traffic. Otherwise, 4 minutes away, 3 minutes away, guys. You think he's gonna be excited?
Yeah.
I hope so.
I hope so, man. Good luck to him. We're almost there, bud. You got yourself a car, man. Where do you want me to go? All right, my boy. My friend Arnold. Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.
God bless you, man. I'm so happy for you, man.
Oh, man.
I brought my family with me.
Yeah.
We're trying not to get his number and stuff, guys. You kind of got to understand where I'm coming from. Let me vibe with my boy real quick. He's at a storage unit right now. We kind of don't want to give up too much of the location, but the car did get here safe and sound. Again, let me vibe with my boy.
Rained on, but
Yeah, it got rained on a lot. I was trying to pull over and wash it, but every kind of, like everywhere we went through, it had some kind of rain. Look, and the strap came off again.
Oh.
So we stopped to get gas. We got caught up in so much traffic
Yeah.
in Chicago.
Yeah.
And that strap came off.
Construction season.
Yeah, it's terrible, but this is it, man. This is your car. It's your machine. All right, let's bring it down. Let's let my boy see it in the flesh here. With the car.
Man, I know my SI only came with one key.
Alright.
Alright, let me know, Arnold.
Okay.
Good? Good?
So it used to have like an alarm system, I guess.
Okay.
So most of the stuff happened to this car like in '99. Old school. Maybe they had a cutoff there. I don't know exactly what those lights are for. But get in there, everything works. Open the hood, enjoy it, drive it if you want. It's super quiet. The clutch is obviously stopped, but it's like beyond soft. Okay. But it goes into gear so smooth. Every gear. Yeah, take it around. And if you get hot, put the AC on. Good job, Poop. Good job. Here goes Arnold for his first drive here. You see, Daddy? He won Daddy's car? Yeah, look at him. He's a good man. He deserves it. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. You could so the clutch is super soft, obviously.
Yeah.
Try not to burn it. Just release it quickly.
Okay.
Yeah, just get off of it quickly. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm trying to do it like my car.
Oh no, it doesn't need to. It's super stock. Just release it quickly. Yep. Perfect. Nice. Damn, that car looks so good. It looks so good. Dirty and all. How smooth is it?
Very smooth.
Smooth car?
Very smooth.
Awesome. Pop the hood too so you can see how clean it is. Yep.
Let's do the low car again.
Yeah. Man, you guys don't age. I can't believe your age, man.
Yeah.
God bless you, brother. This man's 50 years old, right?
Yes.
You're the youngest giveaway winner. Well,
yeah.
This usually goes here because you're going to put on this one here.
Yeah.
But you could leave it off if you want to open it all the way.
Okay. I'll just leave it there.
You could put it there, yep. It's super dirty too. Look, from all the traveling, all this cleans up.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
No problem. I understand. I haven't seen a V16 in a while.
A long time, huh?
I used to have a V18.
And you say you have an 07 SI, right?
Yeah, I
That's
have an
awesome.
07
You got an
SI,
07 and a 99 now.
That one needs a lot of work.
This one just needs you to register and drive it.
Yeah.
Put full coverage on it. If you have someone that's good with PPF, I would PPF the front, protect it.
Yeah.
Because everything's original.
Yeah.
So you kind of don't want to go and paint the bumper one day and then it doesn't match all the way.
Yeah.
But the car's a stud.
I remember working on distributor.
Yeah, I haven't seen the distributor in a long time.
Yeah.
I'm a K-man. You've been following my channel.
Yes.
You join every giveaway. I seen like your like all your purchases.
Yeah, you know, they do what they can.
That's awesome, man.
To help you out too, you know.
Thank you, bro. Look, and you deserve it.
Yeah.
You won.
I mean, I appreciate what you do for everybody.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Me and my family are happy for you, genuinely, for real.
Thank
Especially this little fish right here.
Thank you for making it all the way out here.
Hell yeah. We had a great time at the KOA, though.
Okay.
Yeah. We had a
I've
great
never
time.
been to a KOA. So.
They're all over the highway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All over the U.S.
Yeah, they're great. They're awesome. But that's it, guys. We're going to put this puppy away. We got a car meet to get to at 2. I think Arnold has to take a work phone call at 1. What time is it?
It's okay. That's fine. I'll be late.
All right. So we're going to put this car away, guys. We're going to get ready to go have some pizza together and hopefully meet some other people. But we'll talk more at the Luminati's, right? Yeah. Say goodbye to the SI, guys. I think it has a good home. Okay, trailers dropped off. I don't want to get you on camera, Harold. Trailers dropped off. Thank God. Now we don't have to lug this thing around. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. Now, me, the kids, Harold. I mean, not Harold. Arnold and Harold. Pretty close. We're going to go get some pizza, man. We're going to go meet up with some people, hopefully. So, also, real quick, guys. Sorry to kind of be, like, secretive on his storage. I don't think the guy wants anyone to know where his car is, Poop.
Understandable.
And then a lot of people are going to look in the camera and be like, oh my God, we're going to dissect what street. Yeah. Guys, I got to give these people their privacy. So, hopefully we'll get to chop it up more with Arnold. We forgot to take a picture with him with the car and everything. Right. We're just such in a rush to get out of there because he's working from home. So he has a meeting on the phone right now. So, I don't know, because we're late 1 hour because of the traffic. Shit didn't pan out. You know, you always put things in perspective like everything's gonna go accordingly. No. That traffic threw a whole wrench in the gears. Got ourselves a wager here. What's the wager? What's the deal, Daddy? Who?
She can tell it.
If I eat 3 slices of pizza, I get Samir's PlayStation.
And you guys shook on it? Let's get it on camera. Let's get the handshake on camera.
I will hand it to her the moment we get home.
It's official like a dude with a whistle. Scarlett has to eat 3 slices at this establishment. She gets Samir's PlayStation.
I will hand it to her.
Good luck. She might be able to do it. So, guys, last time we came to Chicago, me and you, Samir, we've had the competitor. It starts with a G. I think it's called Geo something. But this is the first time we're going to try Luminati's. Excuse me!
I remember it being good the first time.
I ever tell you guys about the Tomahawk Massacre in Ossining?
No. The other day.
Excuse me. You'll see. Kids playing in the back. Got the squad here. CRX is here. Ain't seen my brother right here since, 2018? Maryland? H-Day?
H-Day.
Crazy. Long time, man. Good people out here. Appreciate everybody coming through, too. Everybody, I got gifted something from my boy right here. Look. If you guys heard me nagging on my IG, I got my Ghostface Killer back, baby. What's up, girls? You want to say anything to YouTube?
Hi.
Nobody's gonna say nothing random? I ever tell you girls the story about the Tomahawk Massacre in Ossining? Maybe another time. Bye to your friends.
Bye-bye.
Guys, it was an amazing outing, man. Very nice to meet you, bro.
It's Voltage Blue, bro. I just looked it up.
It looks Captiva from right here.
I just looked
what a
it
great
up.
car. Yo, like he said, they usually come in 4-door. Yeah, that color. But great turnout here for everyone, man. Weird day, right? Thursday afternoon. We could have had this parking lot filled. But glad that everyone here made it. Great times. We got to drop off the car to Arnold. And my brother Alex came by, let a couple of people drive the CRX. This thing's been a life changer for him too. Hopefully it helps Arnold with the EM1, but the gentleman was busy at work, so I understand him. Love you guys. I appreciate all of you for coming out. Anyone want to say anything? Goodbye? Want to sign me out? You know how to sign me out.
Fuck a racer.
There you go.